Hey, Kevin Ostie here at the V8 Speed and Resto shop, taking a look at a really cool 63 Corvette project that is getting a lot of attention here in the body shop. This 63 Corvette arrived at our shop wearing yellow paint over most of it. It did not have an engine or transmission, but it is on a custom chassis with a custom front suspension, and most of the other pieces of the car were removed. But the owner wanted to repaint, and a Corvette is a unique animal because as soon as you start to get into it, the entire body is fiberglass. And we found some interesting stuff. We found some previous repair work in the back corner, and we also found that the whole front nose needed to be replaced, right? So we're gonna take a quick look at what that entails. So this is the nose of the Corvette as it came in. It was crashed and wrecked and misaligned and didn't fit right. But you'll notice this is all basically one big piece. And when you do a Corvette, you don't just unbolt the fenders, you have to cut the thing apart and remove the nose and bond it back onto the front structure. So looking inside here, you can see where we've got the different areas where things were bonded that we had to peel apart and drill out to separate everything. And as we are sitting right now, we've got the new one clamped in place. We've got some of the bonding operation going on, but lining all this stuff can be challenging. And by the way, I'm noticing something interesting. This is an oscillating fan that's oscillating without spinning. So if you hear the groan, okay, never mind that. So also what's interesting on Corvettes is they're made from different pieces that are all bonded together. So the top of the fenders are glued, to the bottom side, and everywhere you see that gray line is a seam. And that goes all the way through the entire car. And back here you can see where the rear part had been repaired. So like this line here and these little rivet holes are all filled with epoxy resin because the car got bumped in the back at some point and somebody had repaired it. That's what you do. You can see the fiberglass mesh here over this part of the repair, and then they sectioned in that side, also around the back. So it's a really cool project in the sense that we're just adding new life to the body of this car, and then eventually it'll get the new driveline and everything put back in it, and it's gonna be a very cool 63 Corvette Roadster. Lots of power, better suspension and handling, and it's gonna be really sharp. We'll see what color we end up painting this in a future episode. Hope you enjoyed this little under the skin look of what happens in the construction of a Corvette body. Follow along on our website at v8speedshop.com. We've got all the pictures and some more video of the process of doing this car. And if you've got one, a Corvette or some other cool vintage, classic, hot rod, custom, I don't know, whatever you got, muscle car, you need some help with it, we're full service and we're happy to chat with you about all the different ways we can bring your pride and joy back to life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.